In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove domain from Lovable AI website step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can safely disconnect a custom domain from your project without any confusion. First, open your Lovable AI dashboard and head into the application or project where the domain is currently connected. This ensures you're working in the right place, especially if you manage multiple projects. Take a moment to verify you've selected the correct project because removing a domain from the wrong one can interrupt live traffic. Once you're inside the project, look for the settings option. This is where all of your project level configuration lives, including deployment, environment, and domain management. Click into settings to reveal the available tabs. Next, open the domains section. This is the central hub for all domain-related configuration for your project. Here, you'll see a list of every domain you've added, such as your primary domain and any subdomains or alternates. You might also notice status details like whether the domain is verified or if SSL is active. This view is helpful for confirming you're removing the correct address, so double check the exact domain name before you proceed. When you're ready to remove one, find the domain you want to disconnect and click the three dotted icon, sometimes called the overflow or ellipsis menu, next to that domain. From the menu, choose Remove. If a confirmation prompt appears, review the details and confirm. After you remove it, the domain will no longer point to this project, so visitors using that URL won't reach your Lovable AI site anymore. A few quick tips as you finish up. If you plan to attach this same domain to a different project or platform, removing it here frees it up on the Lovable AI side. Keep in mind that DNS records at your domain registrar are separate from this action. Changes inside Lovable AI don't automatically modify DNS at your provider. That means the domain may still have old A or C name records until you update or clear them where you registered the domain. Also, if the domain you're removing is currently your primary public address, make sure you have a replacement ready so your audience can still find your site. That's it, simple and clean. You went to your project, opened settings, navigated to domains, reviewed your connected addresses, and removed the one you no longer need. Congratulations on tidying up your configuration and keeping your project organized. If this was helpful, you're all set to manage domains confidently inside Lovable AI.